Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off vanish mode on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, let's go to the messenger section of Instagram. To do that, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your messenger icon. Tap on it, and over here go to the message or box of the person whom you want to turn off the vanish mode on. And after landing on this page, you can just tap on the empty space of this interface just above the message, and you can start to swipe up. And this kind of option will appear where it says the swipe up to turn off the vanish mode. If you have turned on vanish mode on Instagram for that person, let's do that again. You can see swipe up to turn on vanish mode, and you will be required to swipe up completely until the circle turns blue, and this way guys the vanish mode will be turned off. And guys, this is how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.